beauties, let's go straight into doing this video. Okay, I used to get a lot of questions, brushes that I use here on my channel. So these are the drugstore brushes. I have 3 brands here. So number one, you all know, is BH Cosmetics. Sorry, I use my hair ribbon to pack it. So these brushes are from BH Cosmetics, and they came like this in a set. You have your face brushes and then you have your eye brushes, the tiny ones. Yeah, so the only thing about these brushes that I'm not happy about is they don't write the purpose of the brush on the handle. I love when a brush says blender brush or contour brush or something like that. But apart from that, this brush has been with me here for a very long time, and I clean my brushes weekly. And look at, there is nothing like a scratching or stuff like that. The brush are still looking good. In fact, I decided to get a lot of this. Is also from BH Cosmetics, just to show you how I love their brushes. Let me show you another one too. This set is also from BH Cosmetics. Their brushes are so good. Look at, this is also from BH Cosmetics. I love their brushes. And then I also have their BH Pro brushes, Pro Studio brushes. Okay, why I'm showing all this is just to tell you how good the BH Cosmetics brushes are. And the good thing is you're going to get it in set. Getting it in set is cheaper than buying it singles. Yeah, so number one is BH Cosmetics. So if you're looking for drugstore brushes that you will use that will serve you the purpose you want it, this is very good. So beauties, the next is sorry for the noises. The next is Elf Cosmetics brushes. I've used these two to do my makeup today. Elf, if you have tried Elf Cosmetics brushes, please drop it in the comment section. Tell me your review. Elf Cosmetics brushes are the type of brushes that when you have, in fact, you will be the one begging these brushes to get spoiled so that you can get yourself new ones, and they're not going to go anywhere. I have had these brushes for a very long time. I have had it for a very long time. And beauties, for the fact that I am on the deeper skin tone, my foundations are always dark and stuff like that. And then you see this stain of a thing. You see how the stain is. Beauties, with your facial soap or whatever bathing soap you have, this brush will start looking like this. Yeah, can you see the difference? One thing I love about good brushes is no matter how the makeup products you use, if at the end of the day the makeup cleanser is going to remove the dirt, that means that brush is very good, and they don't even lose hairs. I've had these brushes for a very long time. They're not losing hairs. And the good thing about Elf brushes is it's going to tell you the purpose of the brushes, unlike the BH Cosmetics brushes. Like this particular one says highlighting brush, then you know that it's for highlighting. And this particular one that I just used, it says Elf powder brush. Even though this is for powder, I also use it for my liquid brushes. For my liquid products. Okay, that is the good thing about Elf brushes. They are going to tell you the purpose of the brushes. So as a beginner, you don't have to start cracking your brain. What is this brush for? This particular one says Elf pointed powder brush. This is pointed, as you can see, and this is normal powder brush. Okay, yeah. So that is it. If you're looking for cheaper but good quality drugstore brushes, please don't sleep on Elf brushes. So beauties, the last but not the least is Real Techniques brushes. I have more, but then I just watched them yesterday. Okay, I can't go down to pick them. When you watch YouTube tutorials, majority of the content creators are using Real Techniques brushes. I even have their makeup sponges. Let me know whether I can find it. Yeah, they came in sets. These brushes here, beauties, you can use it for years. like the same way like BH Cosmetics or Elf brushes, these are the only 3 drugstore brushes that are holding to their purposes. Okay, so if you're looking for cheaper, not that they are cheap, but good thing is you can compare them with like the set of these elf brushes will only get you 1 MAC brush. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to, not that they are very cheap like 10 cents or 20 cents, but then when you buy them in sets, it's going to last you for a very long time. And another thing is, buying in set, it comes with face and then the eyes. Okay, you don't have to, you know, start looking for where is my eye brush or where is my contour brush or where is my foundation brushes. All of them comes in one. So beauties, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, I used to get questions about brushes, so I hope this video is clear on brushes, the brands that you will buy. BH Cosmetics, they have wonderful amazing brushes. Okay, Elf Cosmetics, my goodness, till today anytime I see elf brushes on sales, I always grab it. I can never have enough of brushes. And then Real Techniques brushes, if you live in Germany here, you can get it in Rossmann, you can get it from DM. The same thing with elf brushes. You can get elf brushes online. You can also get it from Muller or DM, I don't know, but then all these ones I bought them online. Okay, yeah. So beauties, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me, do you want me to do a separate face brushes, eyeshadow brushes you need as a beginner? Okay, tell me if you want such a video and then I'm going to do it for you. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Tell me, have you tried any of these brushes that I showed now, like the BH Cosmetics brushes, elf brushes and the Real Techniques brushes? Tell me if you have tried any of these, and if you have, let me know your experience. Okay, because I have good experience with these 3 brands of brushes. So beauties, thank you so much once again. Catch you all in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed out there till my next video. Bye.